Hey everybody, Braden here at SuperATV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a door bag on your SuperATV aluminum half doors. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove all the hardware holding the outer door to the frame. All of the screws, except for this one, are going to thread into the frame. This one right here will have a nut on the back side. Once you remove this screw, go ahead and remove the rest of the screws holding the outer door onto the frame. Once you've removed all the hardware, remove the door from the frame. Take your door bag, loosen all the Velcro straps, one on the side, then two on the bottom. Once you have them all loose, make sure that the SuperATV is facing inward. Go ahead and start attaching your straps. You want to make sure if you have any excess strap that you leave it sticking straight up. You don't want to fold it over or you're not going to be able to get your outer door back on. You want to go all the way around and you want to make sure that the bend of the door frame matches the curvature of the door bag. Once you have your door bag in place, we can go ahead and reinstall the outer door. You want to get it positioned, start a screw in the top. Go down to the bottom, get another screw started. You want to reinstall all the screws, being sure not to fully tighten any of them until all the screws are in the door. So now we're going to go through and tighten it all down. Be sure to tighten the screw up to where it touches the door. Go just a quarter turn after that. Be sure not to over tighten it. The threads are small, you can strip them out. So right there, it's starting to get a little bit tight. We're gonna go a quarter turn, and that's good. So let me tell you how awesome SuperATV's door bags are. You can literally store anything in them. An impact, a phone, oh hey, I've been looking for that. A hammer, and a belt. A shoe? How'd this get in here? A SuperATV billet aluminum radius arm. And that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's door bags to SuperATV's aluminum half doors. For more information on these door bags or any of SuperATV's awesome products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.